If you're looking for a new job, StaffedUp is the place to find it. To apply for a job, you'll first need to create an account. You can create an account by clicking the Sign In tab in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, where this box will pop up, and you can use your Facebook, LinkedIn, or email and password to sign up. You can also click on the Sign Up for Free and say, I am a job seeker. Here you'll enter these fields to start your new account. You can also apply for a job by clicking the Find Jobs Now tab on the upper part of your screen. For example, I'll use Kansas City, Missouri. Here, you'll see all of the jobs available in Kansas City. To apply, click on the Apply tab. And the position that you're interested in, where you'll then be prompted to start an application by either logging in or creating a new account. If you already have an account, you can also search for jobs in your area and apply at anything nearby. Once you've logged in, click the Apply button on any job listed. You can then select the position that you're interested in and choose to apply.